Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio 4D. Today I want to show you how to install Android 9P One UE application with Ease Home directly to your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. This is a God Edition Home. Get ready, it's cool. This home is cool, so good. This is the first video, the installation review. After this video, I will make the test review. Remember also, under this video, you can download this ROM. Okay, the link is here. On the first link, you will see how to install TWRP on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime and get ready. On the second link, download this ROM and copy on your beautiful USB or on your beautiful phone directly. Okay, get ready. Now, if you are install TWRP on your phone, on the first link, if you install this, hold free touch to access to TWRP. Okay, it's so easy to do this. Follow me. Okay, hold volume up here, power button here, and the home button. I recommend you to select home button before power button. Okay, and wait with me. You will see something on your screen. Wonderful. This is Team Win TWRP. Now do this and click on Whip. Okay, and under you can see for my data, enter yours, validate here, and wait a few minutes. Partition. Okay, make sure that you have saved your data before. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Whip again. Click on Whip again. Advanced whip. Now do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and don't select internet storage because you have the data into all your home. Let's go. Thank you. Click on home and now get ready to install this. I'll copy my beautiful ROM on my USB TG. Now I connect my beautiful USB TG to my phone and I click on install. After this, I click on select storage. I click on USB OTG and okay. Now I localize where I have put my ROM. Okay, my ROM is here. Is Golden Edition version 1.5. Do this to open. Click into and do this to open. Wait for the opening of this beautiful ROM. Yeah, so great. Okay, wait a few seconds. Okay, the installation started. Okay. Wait with me. Okay, remember, so this is the installation review. And the next video, with part 2, you will see the test review of this ROM. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to watch this video. At the end of this video, you will see the video will appear here or here. Subscribe and click on like. Yo, so nice. Don't worry, it's normal. Don't worry. Okay, wait a few minutes again. Okay. Wait, almost finished. Wait again. Lock screen. Unlock like that. Okay, as you see, it's good. It's done. Now click on reboot system like that and disconnect your beautiful USB to J. Look at that, this is rare, but there are into Android P applications. I will show you this before we test review. On the next video, subscribe, activate notification, and get ready. Okay. The installation started. Get ready. When you see the LED, the installation of this ROM. Okay, continue. And when it disappears, get ready. Okay, after this now I will make the part 2. Now get ready, let's go.